we want to talk about this one now that I have is ball joints. So I have this one hub. This is hub for the car. Hub that contains shaft and even tire and wheel drum and caliper, everything, camber and shock. Only hub that contains all those other things. This is where the tire rod, this is where the tire shock absorber, this is where shaft will enter, and the ABS we can't hear. The part of hub that is all these things there. Look at it, this one is ball joint. This hole now is where hole joint can pass it like this. And you see, this one is down where ABS sensor will pass through, shaft will come out here, then you tight it. This one is where we do, you know what it is. This is the main hub. When one hub is spoiled, so okay, one spoil, the sand of the car will look like tire want to disconnect. So you just doing something somehow like that you don't understand. But this is what you did, so either you change it to the direct joint or you go, they have people sabi fix the bearing. You buy better bearing and fix it with a nice grease. The thing will last for you, you will manage it because how things is very much. That's what we were talking about of hub. If you are listening now, you see how things do, that's normal. That's not normal how it's working. But when once the hub is spoiled a lot, like that thing may break, the tire may pull. That's what I'm saying, it's bearing connected. That's what I want you people to know. So follow my page. Go.